Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, we're focused on how to make money with WarriorPlus for beginners. But look, this is the method. This is a simple traffic blueprint that all marketers, even the most experienced marketers, use. This simple traffic blueprint to make money online with WarriorPlus is using free traffic that will generate you leads and generate you sales. Sales, that's AKA commissions. That's money that you can make on WarriorPlus doing this simple strategy. So let's hop here on the computer and take a look at this strategy in a little more detail. So as you can see, we're started here. This is WarriorPlus. As you know, this is your dashboard. This is where you see the benefits of this simple strategy. This is where you see the rewards of this simple strategy that I'm about to show you. So let's take a high-level look at what this simple strategy looks like. We're going to be using free traffic from YouTube, as you can see here on the screen, YouTube to a bridge page. That bridge page is then going to capture leads. And then once you have those leads, you can follow up with those leads. But we're focused here on the traffic strategy. The traffic strategy, again, being YouTube. Getting them to a bridge page, capturing the lead, and then getting them over to the affiliate offer sales page. Of course, this affiliate offer are the offers that we've been approved to promote over on WarriorPlus. I've covered this in detail on the channel. There'll be a link in the descriptions, so check those out. But the focus of this video, again, is the free traffic. The free traffic is here on YouTube. And again, we're focused on that free traffic over to a bridge page, over to affiliate offer sales page, and collecting that lead. Now, let's jump into my YouTube channel and I'll show you exactly the types of videos that you should be using to implement this free, simple traffic blueprint. So let's pop over to my YouTube page right now. Listen, I know you're probably thinking that this is too simple, this is too simplistic, and you didn't pay me any money for this, but this is the simple traffic blueprint. This is exactly what you're purchasing in the WarriorPlus deal of the day the majority of the time. A simple strategy that if you were to focus on, the majority of those products have a simple message inside of them. Whether or not the product itself is some shiny push button software that really doesn't do you any good or doesn't give you any benefits, because there is no simple push button software. It's a combination of simple things: web hosting, autoresponder, actually making videos to generate traffic that actually help real people solve their real problems. For example, this video right here. This is a video explaining to you, specifically if you're a beginner with WarriorPlus, but again, this is the exact same strategy that all successful marketers use to generate free traffic, specifically using YouTube for leads and sales to generate those commissions that you see them making over on WarriorPlus. So again, here we are on my YouTube channel. Let's take a look at the types of videos that work for this simple traffic blueprint. So we'll go ahead and we'll hit content. Now, your channel may say videos here because you haven't reached the point where you can actually generate different types of content. If you were to go up here in the right-hand corner and check out this button where it says create, yours may just say upload videos, but I have the ability to go live and also have the ability to create posts. Now, I think you could probably go live, but you may not have the ability to create a post until you reach a certain milestone. But that's not really the focus here. The focus is on the videos themselves, and I'm going to show you two types of videos that allow you to create value for your audience here on YouTube. And what that allows you to do is to connect with your audience at a level where they're going to start to understand you, start to know you, start to like you, start to trust you. Again, we're talking about real value here, building an audience, providing them real value, 1,000 true fans, if you will, if you've heard that before. Of course, I've talked about that here on the channel as well. So here we are in my content, and the first one I'm going to show you is how to. Now this is going to search down all the videos that I've made that started with the phrase or contained the phrase how to. And as you can see right there, there's 109 videos on this channel, 30minutemarketing.net YouTube channel, about how to. How to create a free lead capture page, why you need and how to build a bridge page, how to build a lead generation website, how to promote WarriorPlus products, activity book mastery review bonus, plus a how-to video. So a combination of the next type of video that you should be creating to generate your own simple traffic machine for leads and sales. So that's the how-to videos. Again, take note, 109 videos of me teaching people how to do something, specifically in the world of internet marketing, make money online, giving real value and showing people exactly what to do. So that's how to, that's the first type of video. The next type of video is simply the review video. I got a morning fame review. I got a gaining more energy in your life PLR review. There's that activity book mastery review plus a bonus. Groove funnels review and groove pages review. Mandala crazy review and another how to create mandalas. Again, the combination of the two together, how to and review, very powerful. So again, think about that, how simple, how easy that is. It's free. Again, this is a free traffic source. Yes, you'll need a webcam if you really want to move to that level where you're connecting with your audience. For example, me talking to you right now on the webcam adds that extra layer, but it's not required. Many of the videos here on the channel, I do without a video for many different reasons. Sometimes just being that I'm in a location where there is no webcam, or it's not appropriate, or it's not the right backdrop, or there's just not too much going on, so I don't even show my face. Also, the point of the video where I don't show my face is the fact that I'm focused on how to do something. So you don't need to see my face. You need to be seeing my screen because I'm showing you click for click for click exactly how to accomplish something, again, in the make money online internet marketing niche. So don't overthink it sometimes where you think that you actually have to have your face on the camera. Yes, there are times where it makes sense and it is the best option. So again, that's two types of videos. That was how to, and the review video is the easiest way to implement this simple traffic blueprint that you see right here on the screen. Free traffic generated from simple how-to and review videos over on YouTube, over to a bridge page where you capture a lead, where you can follow up, or you just create a bonus page. That leads them over to an affiliate offer, which is on WarriorPlus. Again, this is the WarriorPlus offer that you've been approved to promote as an affiliate, and that's where you actually start making money online with WarriorPlus. If you'd like to know exactly how this works and see it in action, a real live example, go ahead, click the link in the description and the pinned first comment. It'll take you over to another video that I've done that shows you exactly how I do this step by step, a real world case study of exactly how I use this simple traffic blueprint method that you see right here. That video is going to take you step for step and show you exactly how that happens. Of course, if you have any questions about this, drop them in the comments. I'll be sure and more than happy to answer them. And if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like these videos right here that includes exactly step-by-step how to make money on WarriorPlus. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.